Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have my February Boxycharm. I do realize it's March. Something happened and my box never came. I had to reach out. They were very good. They sent out a new one. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is now part of Ipsy, so Boxycharm by Ipsy. It is a subscription box that you can get delivered to your doorstep every month. It is beauty, it is tools, it is skincare, and you fill out a quiz so that they know more about what you want, your skin type, and they pick 2 items for you every month, and you get to pick the other 3 from a selection that they provide for you. They also have one of my favorite things, which is called the Drop Shop, where you can go in and buy brands that you've never heard of at a discount, brands that you have heard of that might be a little more high-end at a discount. It's a lot of fun, and they open it up all month long for you to shop. Very enjoyable. So here is my box. I do have some of my makeup on already. As per usual, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, how you can get more information about Boxycharm, anything that was on my face, anything that I put on my face. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share. And of course, I always want to hear, if you are a Boxycharm subscriber, what you got. The packing materials were pretty good this month. One of the items that they chose for me is this item right here. This is from Beauty, nicely bubble wrapped. Here is the palette. It is called Mystic Romance. Sounds lovely. I have enjoyed every palette that I've received from Beauty. They have a good shadow formula. So let's check this palette out. There was a protector, there's a mirror, and these are the colors. Looks like you can get a few looks out of this palette, which is exciting for me. It retails for $39. Think shimmering mauves, a deep cranberry, and even a golden shimmer to help you create eye looks for everything from brunch to date night. I want to put my fingers in some of these shimmers. Ooh, Starry, Devotion, Euphoria, and Celestial. Ooh. Here is Spellbound, and then this one is Aura. So pretty. I'll first start with this Fog on my Beauty for Real brush, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Same shade underneath. Start with Euphoria towards that outer corner. I like it. And then I'll go into this Starry. Put that more towards the center or the inner corner. A lot of sparkle on that one. I like it. There is a nice black here called Mystic, so I'm going to put this on the very outer edge. Back in with that Beauty for Real blender and into Fog, just to blend out these edges. I'll go into this Morphe A20 and into this Sacred Creamy Matte and just buff that along the brow. A little extra blending and brightness. I'm gonna veer away from the box for just a moment because in the Drop Shop, I was able to grab a Dominique Cosmetics concealer. Very excited to try this. This retails for $26. I got it for $13 on the Boxycharm Drop Shop. It is called the Wide Awake Full Cover Concealer. Natural, hydrated, and radiant finish with medium to full coverage. Use the first ever depuffing cooling wand to awaken tired eyes. Designed to pick up the perfect amount of concealer to avoid cakiness. Packed with caffeine to help boost circulation. I got mine in the shade Creme Brulee. Now I did take my foundation earlier all the way up, so I do have a little bit of coverage going on, but not enough for me. The wand is very cool. It's got a metal tip, and I want to see, oh, I don't know if the color's good. It's a little deeper than I would typically go, and you don't get a lot. Just gonna take a fluffy brush. What is on my face? I think I got a little bit of fallout on my nose. I have a pink nose. I'll fix that in a minute. I have no powders on my face as of yet. Just try to take that on my pink nose, since it's already sort of my skin tone anyway. Not sure I'm in love with that. I'll continue playing with it and I'll keep you posted. Next in my box is this Love Plus Craft Plus Beauty product. I've gotten things from them before. This is the Liquid Cosmic Blush in Mercury Moves. It's going to transport me into another dimension of radiance. It is a gorgeous bright pink shade that will effortlessly glide onto my skin and help me have an otherworldly glow. Retails for $20. That's pink. Seems thin. I'm gonna shake it just in case it needs to be shook. It seems like a bubblegum pink, which I typically like. It's using my e.l.f. Putty Primer brush, which is my favorite for cream blush. It's pretty. It's very serum-like. The skin does look glowy. I like it. I've lined my lips because the next product is a lip product. This is from Context Skin. This is their matte lip lacquer in Sweet Emotion. Retails for $24. It says here, we know how hard it is to find a matte lipstick that is also hydrating, and this one definitely delivers. The creamy and moisturizing formula coats your lips in a stunning mauve brown shade that is sure to get tons of wear. Yes, please. Sounds fabulous. It's a little warmer than I was expecting, or maybe it just looks warm next to this purple eye. Feels a little bit tacky, but it might still be drying, but it was very thin and lightweight. So far, so good. The next product I have here is from Huda Beauty. This is their Glowish Luminous Pressed Powder in 04 Light Medium. Retails for $33. Coverage without the cake, that's what this smoothing pressed powder is all about. It's infused with antioxidants and skin-loving ingredients like Damascus rose oil, vitamin E, and red bell pepper extract to give your skin a lightweight, natural-looking glow without settling into fine lines. Swirl a fluffy brush into the powder and sweep all over your face until you reach the perfect coverage and glow. As an oily-skinned girl, this makes me a little nervous, but I'm gonna try it. I remember when this product was released, I passed on it because I am a little bit more of a matte girl. However, I am appreciating more the glow these days. A glow, not oily, if that makes sense. This is what it looks like. Nice, compact. Ooh, there's a protector. Here's what it looks like inside. I'm guessing this constitutes as a fluffy brush. This is my Wet n Wild P60. I'm going to dust around in there and just sort of pat and swirl onto the face. I'll just do one side first. I definitely see a smoother effect on this side. It deepened the color of the face a little bit, but I think I'm still okay. I think it still matches my neck. I just added some bottom mascara and a little bit of my Hard Candy White Out liner just in the center for a pop. And the last product that I have in here to play with is this one from MAC. This is the MAC Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher. Retails for $24. This revolutionary mascara refresher just changed the game. Gone are the days of completely removing and then reapplying your mascara when you need a fresh look. The unique brush gently combs and detangles while the formula revives and refreshes for easy and quick restyling whenever you need it. Brush the formula through your lashes over dried and set mascara to enhance the lash look at any time. I thought this concept sounded really cool. I did put my One Size mascara on a bit ago, so it should be dry. And I'm excited to play with this. Like, I'm going to a play in a week, I believe, and I put my makeup on at 5 a.m. Sometimes it would be nice to refresh those lashes before I go out at night without having to put my whole face back on. It feels nice and weighty. I like the color. This is what the wand looks like. It looks pretty spiky. And I am just going to drag this through my lashes. Spikes are letting it go through. I'm curious if it makes the mascara flake all over your face. I think it is sort of detangling. Maybe it's just taking off the top layer. Where does the mascara go? I'm so intrigued. I think it did something. I'm not sure. I will continue playing with this. I'll keep you posted. I'm not sure if it's a gimmick or if it has value. Make sure you comment below if you have it, what you think about it. Either way, I was happy to get it for a $30 subscription box where I get lots of other things. I thought, perfect, I get to try this. Final thoughts on the box. The palette, gorgeous. I expected it to be gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I will continue playing. I can see some warm looks that I can put together. I love this smoky silver. There's a black, a dark brown, really versatile and good formula. Fantastic. The lip color, it feels pretty lightweight, almost undetectable on my lips. So far, so good. I'm digging it. The blush, I like it right now. It'll look even better when I set it with a powder blush. I typically, if I put a cream bronzer on and a cream blush, I set it with a powder bronzer and a powder blush. So this being as light pigmented as it is gonna be great if you are a very light, simple, more natural makeup lover, or if you're like me and you wanna be a little more glam, you put this on and then you set it with a nice pinky blush and it'll be fabulous. Either way, I'm liking it so far. And the glow is not crazy. It's a nice natural lit from within. The powder, I'm liking it. My skin looks very healthy. It's not an obnoxious glow. It's almost like the Maybelline Skin Tint glow, the e.l.f. Halo glow. Not too much, not Tin Man, but very nourished. It looks healthy and hydrated. So far, I'm liking this. The mascara, I'll keep you posted. Not sure if it did anything. It was fun to try. I will make an effort to continue trying it throughout the rest of the month. And like I said, if you have it and have tried it, make sure you share in the comments below. And the last product that was not in my box, but I got in the pop-up or drop shop, this Dominique Cosmetics concealer. It's okay. I like the metal tip. Is it a good metal tip because it gives you so little? I don't know. If it's going to give you so little, it needs to give you more coverage. So right now I'm leaning a little more negative on this, but I'll keep you posted. Overall, the box was a hit. I pay $30 a month for this subscription. I got over $100 in value. I'll make sure I post the amount of the total up here, but I paid for the box and then separately that $13 for the Dominique Cosmetics. I did pick up a couple other things, but I'm going to use them in a trying new makeup sort of video. So make sure you're subscribed. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. Another reminder, everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you use them, I thank you for supporting me and my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you down in the comment section. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.